The forex market is a lonely road. It is lonely because nobody is willing to hold your hands. I see some people going for mentorship, paying for all of those things, but the truth is that everybody out there is lonely. Nobody is willing to really hold your hand and walk those lonely roads. That is why it is solely dependent on you. Whether you become profitable or not in forex, it is 100% on you. You understand? It is 100% on you. That's the way it is. For some of you that don't know, my name is Vico, and this is what I personally do here. I simply document my trades. I share the little ideas that I've gathered over the course of my trading and all of that. So like you saw in the title of this video, I'm here to let you know the reasons why forex trading is hard. We all know that it is hard. Sometimes you feel frustrated, you do almost everything you know and nothing seems to work. There are many factors that are making these things happen. There are many reasons why forex trading is hard, and today we are going to talk about some of them. Now, one of the major reasons, before going to the psychological and other aspect of it, one of the main reasons that some of you might know is fundamentals. Now, you already know, like if you're watching this video, you're already into forex trading and you already know what fundamentals is. We know we have fundamental analysis, we have technical analysis, and we have sentimental analysis. Now, your technical analysis is all of the indicators you use, the chart patterns and all of that. I feel like indicators and technical analysis are basically used for entries and exits for retail traders. That's like you and I, but the institutional traders, they don't really go for technicals like that. So what I mean by fundamentals, if you don't already know, they are news, they are events, political news, financial news, economical news, natural disaster. There are many things that will put some kind of pressure on any country's currency. Now, there are many fundamentals going on around the world. There are many things happening around the world that has the likelihood of affecting any country's currency. Now, the major reason why any trend is bearish or bullish is fundamentals. The major reason why let's say you look at your GBP USD chart and you see it's bearish, the major reason why it's bearish is fundamentals. Yeah, there are more people selling, but the question is, why are they selling? What is making them to sell? Just like we know, what drives the market is volume. The more money in the market are going from the sellers, you understand? But the question is, why are they selling? That reason is the fundamental. But you are a retail trader, all you just want to do is to join into the train, like a moving train. You just join where you can join and then just go in line with it. That's why I tell you always follow the trend of the market, because your capital has no capacity to move the market in any direction. You feel me? So fundamentals. Now, why it is hard for you to actually keep up with fundamentals is that there are many things happening around the world. Let's say, for example, you are trading Euro USD. Now, Euro is a currency that is used in many countries in Europe. Now, if there is some kind of a disaster in Spain, you in Nigeria might not know about it. It might be affecting the value of euro low-key and you would not even know. So now the question is, how do you keep up with this? How do you know what's going on around? I know as a day trader, you want to check the big events that would possibly move the market in any direction that is going to go before you take any trade. But there's this new, because once you need to know is that the volume of long position is higher than the volume of short position. So the institutional traders, they might put a sell and then they just leave it open for days. They left it open for days because they are looking at the fundamentals. You using the technicals to get into the market. You understand? So fundamentals, understanding fundamentals is very important, because that's the major thing that moves the market. But it is very hard to keep up with fundamentals. It is very hard to keep your eye everywhere. You have to be reading, you have to be browsing, you have to be knowing all of the things. Some traders don't even know things that actually moves the market. It's not just because you and many other traders are buying, it's volume. You understand? There's a reason why it is selling. There's a reason why any trend is bearish, and that reason is the fundamentals. Now, another reason why I think it's hard, which was the reason I was talking about earlier, is because no profitable trader is willing to show you their strategy. Like I said, Forex is a lonely road. For you to actually win, some other trader somewhere has to lose. That is why a Forex trader that is profitable will hardly show you their strategy. They will only get you to, because you see they are profitable now. You get me? You see they are profitable. You get influenced by the kind of life they are living, the kind of car they are doing. They will never tell you the strategy that they are using to trade. You see them come to video how I made $10,000 with this strategy, but how about the next day? How about the next week? That's not the strategy that they use. They'll almost never show you their strategy. They'll tell you to come pay for mentorship. You pay for mentorship. They'll teach you almost everything that you know and share with you their experiences, which you are going to get along the line too. It's just very useless. You understand me? That is why it has to be with you. It has to be on you. They will never tell you, because they will feel like they're telling you it's going to like affect their chances, because it's going to like affect their chances of becoming profitable. Because guys, it has to be you. You have to look for that strategy by yourself, for yourself. And me now, you and I, let's say that we all know that I'm not profitable yet, but I can easily show you my strategy that I'm using to trade currently. You understand? But because I don't have any, like, I cannot confidently say that this is the strategy that has made me millions, because I've not made millions yet. You can easily share your strategy with me too. You get me? But a profitable trader over time will hardly share that strategy with you. They will hardly let you in on the secret, on the things that you need to know. That is another reason why it is very, very hard, because nobody is willing to help. You understand? That's just the hard truth. Nobody is willing to help. Nobody is willing to let you in on what you should and what you shouldn't do. They will tell you that they're a trading coach. All of those stuff, they are bullshit. You understand? So you'd have to gather all of those experiences by yourself along the line. You'd have to look at yourself, create a pattern for yourself, create something that you've back tested and you know that it works, and you just test it. It's going to take a lot of your time. It's going to take so much emotion, so much patience, so much, like, it's going to take so much from you, but I know that it's worth it, because rather than spend your time with them, they'll hardly tell you that strategy, guys. They'll hardly tell you. Let's talk about Happy Forex. I watched multiple videos of Happy Forex trading live, and most of the time that I've watched his videos, most of the trades go straight to the stop loss, more stop loss than TP. Talking about risk management, you would say that it might still be in profit, but I am very sure that that's not the strategy that Happy Forex is using to make all of the millions that he's making. So that's one of the major reasons. Now another one that I feel is that it is a roller coaster. It's not like any other business that you can be on steady profit. Today you make 2%, tomorrow you make 5%, tomorrow you make 3%. You might make 2% today, lose 1% tomorrow, make 5% today, lose 3% tomorrow, lose 7% the next month, the next week. So it makes it hard, because emotionally it's not normal for you to be going up and down, up and down, up and down. It's like your head has to be grounded in the game for you to actually accept that condition. You understand? When you come from a normal life where you are doing a normal business, you're just supposed to be making profit and profit and profit and profit. But in Forex, it's not like that. This month you might be in profit, the next month you might lose. You understand? So you have to know. Now another reason why it is very, very hard to trade the Forex market is that it can easily be manipulated. Now, because there are many factors, many reasons that the currency of a country can be affected, it makes it easier for the top players to manipulate it. You see what some people like to term as liquidity trap. That's one of the tricks they used to get retail traders into the market, because like I said before, for one trader to actually be profitable, another trader has to be losing his money in the market. Now the institutional traders, they are the ones that actually drive the market. They push the market. Now they gain their profit from retail traders. That's why they trick you to enter that buy, because they know that your stop loss is going to be small, and then you see your stop loss get taken out, we use technical analysis to explain it as liquidity grab. While it's not actually liquidity grab, it's liquidity grab because it's grabbing your money for the institutional traders to actually cash out. You understand? These are many factors that are making it hard, but there are many retail traders that are profitable, but they will never share with you why and how they became profitable, what strategy they are using. That's why you have to find it out yourself. Stop wasting your time on trying to get mentorship deals and all of that. Try to find a strategy that works for you. Try to find a strategy that works for you. That's going to help you a long way. That's going to take you a long way if you get it. With your risk management and everything, you're going to be good. And I cannot guarantee, and you self cannot even guarantee, that you're going to let someone else in on your strategy. Once you've seen over time that this strategy has made you millions, it's going to be hard for you to give it out to somebody too, because it's like you are giving out an asset. You understand? Just like any other way of making money, you have to give to take. But in Forex, you're not really adding any value. You're just playing the game. It's a strong game. It's either you win or you lose. If you lose, the winners are cashing out on your loss. That's the way it is. That's why it's so hard when you keep losing your money. Just know that there's someone out there that's taking your money. That's why they hardly tell you that strategy, guys. No matter how they claim that they love you, how they claim that they want you to be profitable as they are, they will hardly tell you their strategy. That's just the truth. They'll hardly tell you. And I'm going to call this video a wrap at this point. I think I've gotten to the end of this video. These are the reasons that I feel like it is hard to trade the Forex market. If you can relate to, tell me in the Forex don't enter my head. Tell me in the comment section what you think. If you can relate to what I've just said in this video, tell me in the comment section what you think. And if you're new to this channel, please do it to smash that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching.